First purpose within a comprehensive balanced assessment system that we need to ensure we have fulfilled is having assessments that inform instruction. This is a primary purpose of most assessments, but we can categorize some key assessments within this area. When we talk about informing instruction, we should have assessments that give us information about all students' progress towards the standards for that grade level and content area. They should allow educators to act on the data obtained quickly to determine if students are mastering content as we would expect. Common types of assessments used that fulfill the purpose of informing instruction are benchmark or interim assessments. These are designed to assess students' progress toward the larger standard associated with the grade and content. Benchmark assessments are given at regular and specified intervals throughout the school year and are designed to evaluate students' knowledge and skills relative to a specific set of academic standards and produce results that can be aggregated to inform teachers and administrators at the student, classroom, school, and district level. North Carolina Department of Public Instruction has defined benchmark assessments as the practice of assessing students periodically throughout the year or course to determine how much learning has taken place up to a particular point in time and to track progress towards meeting curriculum goals and objectives. Typically, these benchmark assessment tests a narrow slice of the whole year or whole course's content, or sometimes students' proficiency toward the larger standard. This allows instructors to see how students are progressing towards standards and also aggregate the data up to see how effective our instruction is for all students to inform where we should be. These assessments serve an important purpose, but will typically not give us skills-based data. For example, in the area of literacy, we may be able to see through an interim assessment that some students are not understanding how to find the main idea of a passage. However, they will not tell us if students have the underlying skills to read the text sufficiently with adequate accuracy and fluency. Common formative assessments are typically administered more frequently than benchmark or interim assessments in order to further inform instruction and open up collaboration across educators teaching the same content. CFAs, or Common Formative Assessments, are a powerful tool in reflecting upon our instruction and building our professional knowledge. The number of CFAs administered varies by content area, school, and grade. However, they allow a natural flow into collaboration for instructional design based on the groups of students being served. In MTSS, these are a powerful way to talk about our core instructional practices and begin problem solving how we can improve in order to increase the responsiveness of all students to our instruction. Finally, informal formative assessments are powerful tools used to inform instruction. Informal formative assessment occurs during instruction and is an interaction with students in their learning. These are powerful tools to give students a voice and allow self-reflection throughout their learning. Instead of being a point-in-time assessment that produces a score based on student performance, informal formative assessment can be thought of as a process that is ongoing through the interaction of the student and the teacher. Effective feedback in the form of these informal formative assessments should be descriptive and give the learner next steps that they can undertake to move their learning forward. Examples of these are assessment opportunities embedded in the curriculum being used, checklists, self-assessments that students complete, checks for understanding, and quick ratings.